Don't waste energy and start saving more than 20% immediately. The system's chemical treatment is required by the UNI 8065 of 2019 standards and Italian law under Decree 26 of 2015. Sludge, limescale, scaling, and corrosive occurrences are responsible for a sharp drop in performance, and only through proper prevention and maintenance can and will energy be saved. This will result in a more comfortable environment and prolong the life of our systems. Together, let's see how to make the system more efficient with the new DISIFLUX 35RI and 45RI pump models, equipped with a heating resistor and flow reverser. We connect the pump to the system, creating a closed circuit. We open the valves and connect a wire-wound filter to the drain to dispose of the spent liquid in accordance with Legislative Decree 152 of 2006. Switch on the pump to completely empty the system. Alternatively, the process can be carried out by simply using gravity. Much of the existing buildup will be removed, but not entirely. We now load the sludge-dissolving additive, Antinex, containing an antibacterial agent, and let it work in the circuit for at least 3 to 6 hours, depending on the size and age of the system. The operation is facilitated by the flow inversion and the electrical resistance provided by the pumps. A temperature of around 40 degrees Celsius encourages the removal of sludge without having to switch on the boiler, thus avoiding the risk of clogging the exchanger. The operation can be repeated at each collection pit situated on every floor of the house. After about 10 minutes during the sludge removal treatment, we test the value of the electrical conductivity using the appropriate conductivity meter tester CST, which should be around 3000 microsiemens. This will determine with a good degree of accuracy the system's volume, but most importantly, it will determine the correct concentration of Antinex to be used in the circuit. The Facot library will carry out a detailed analysis of the system's water if requested. The use of a magnetic dirt filter on the boiler's backflow is recommended in case of iron components, even if galvanized, in the system. With the smaller pump model 35RI, the treatment can also be carried out using a normal radiator following the same procedure. Once the treatment has been completed, the system can be completely drained and a thorough backwash can be carried out using water to ensure that it runs clear and clean. The system can now be refilled using water with a hardness level of between 5 and 15 French degrees, using an aquatemite series softener and mixing the incoming water with the bypass valve supplied. At this point, we add the protective filming concentrate Filmax 2X Strong, or in its standard version, Filmax Plus Thermakill, both formulated with antibacterial properties, leaving them to work inside the system for many years to come. Turn on the pump and let it circulate for at least 30 minutes, and then check the electrical conductivity with the CST tester, which should be around 1000 microsiemens. Use the special kit to check the concentration of molybdenum, which is the active ingredient in the Filmax additive, and ensure that the correct doses have been used. Only now will it be possible to switch our boiler on again. This means that we can be sure of making safe and consistent energy savings and enjoy a comfortable environment once again, as well as considerably prolonging the life of the entire system while respecting the environment.